Hi, Fast Families. This is Heather Ovalle, your family engagement coach, and I am very excited that this is your last back on track or engagement plan for the academic year. That means we are right around the corner, and this is more so just encouragement. And I just, just want you to hang in there and know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. But until we get to that light, there's 2 weeks to get her done. Okay. So, as we get started, I just wanted to point out to you what motivates you right here. Think about, whether you're kindergarten or fifth grade, what motivates you? What is your reason for coming to AZVA? Okay. Think about that for a few minutes. Was it personal reasons? Is it because you live way out in the boondocks? Are you uh, having some personal struggles or issues? Whatever the case is, just remember that you chose virtual schooling for a reason. We're not homeschool. I know you all know that, but just a quick reminder, we are a public school, and we do have requirements. So just like you would go to a brick and mortar school where you would come in every day and the teacher will take your attendance and you do whatever the teacher gives you for the day. Well, that's what we're doing here. Okay. Only we need you to be a little self-motivated to get it done for yourself. Okay. So just keep those things in mind. Why did you choose AZVA? Because, that's going to hopefully help pull it all together for you. So when you're struggling or when you're falling behind, just remember we chose virtual public school for a reason, and we just need to buckle down and get her done. Okay? Let's not stress about it. Let's just get it done. Couple of things, that's always on your weekly back on track plan or engagement plan to complete all your lessons or assignments. Okay, that's listed for each of your courses, and that's of course for the week, but also daily. So sometimes your teachers have increased what you need to do as far as math goes. So sometimes you have 2 or 3 math lessons to do if you're pretty far behind in math, or literature lessons. Just make sure that you're mastering each one of those, because if you're not mastering it, it doesn't count towards progress, okay? And it doesn't count towards your weekly totals. These are things you want to keep in mind, especially for next year, okay? So we want to log in every day. We want to complete the coursework every day, okay? And if you still have required Class Connect sessions, well, guess what? You're still required to go. So make sure you are indeed going to those, okay? No excuses, kiddos. All right. As I said, attend all your required Class Connects. Learning coaches, you are that homeroom teacher for attendance purposes. Please make sure that your kiddo is in fact, that you are in fact entering that attendance for your kiddos, okay? Work samples. Now, some of you have not submitted your work samples. These are so huge, guys. This is 25% of your grade. That's a big, big deal. So for those of you who have not submitted your work samples, and you know who you are, please get those in immediately, okay? That should definitely be your first priority, is to get those work samples in. Continue communicating with us. Like I said, this is going to be your final back on track plan, but do not worry, because I am still here for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please do reach out to me. Also, your teachers are still here, so we still want to hear from you. There's 2 weeks to go. That doesn't mean we can, sail right through easy breezy. We got to buckle down and pound it out while we still can, okay? Let's stay focused. And if you have any questions about anything at all as far as the pacing guides, you can find that at this website here. Okay, and all of you have all of this information all the time. And here we go. Again, this is just a quick every week that I send out this back on track or engagement plan to you. These are the areas that we highlight. Okay. I do want to point out to you that Study Island, still 30 minutes a week, okay, until Friday, I believe. Okay, so let's get that done as soon as possible, kiddos. I would say your goal today should be definitely to get those required work samples in, finish up your requirement for Study Island for the month of May, and then, just work on that daily plan, the daily and weekly plan, okay? Here's an example of one of our students' daily plan. Of course, you won't see any names on that, but I do want to point out this is for this week, okay? So this week, this student still has required math sessions, so you still want to go to those class connect sessions that are required. Open office hours. Your teacher has at least 2 hours, and some of them have 3 hours listed in the week for open office hours. If you're still struggling with math or any other subject, please, please, please utilize these open office hours, because you're going to get one-on-one help from the teacher, and that's huge for our assistants. Okay, so let's make sure we get good use of these hours. Okay. And as I said, make sure you're following that daily plan. And I talked about sometimes you might have more lessons. So like, for example, you have 2 math lessons right here, or this student has 2 math lessons each day. Okay, because we're trying to get this kiddo caught up in math. So just look at your plan and make sure that you are mastering each one, because if you don't master it, it doesn't count, remember? Okay, not mastering an assessment is not a passing grade, and we want to make sure that you understand the information. If you're struggling, again, let's go back up to these open office hours, okay? So I have included this information in our email. It's in the body of the email that this video is attached to, but I want to point out our AZVA FAST community website, because this has lots of great information on there for you, and we're always updating it. So if you have not re-registered your student, you'll want to make sure you take care of that this week, okay, learning coaches? Let's get that done, and we can help you out right here. All right. Learning Coach University, the Motivate to Activate, I want to point out to you, this is a great resource tool for learning coaches, okay? And for kiddos who are struggling, our parents have found that the information in our Motivate to Activate series has been really helpful. So check that out. We also have our parent learning coach boosters, which is, we're trying to kick that off, and you can get help parents from other parents, or you can offer your assistance to other parents, which is really great. Okay. So I just scrolled down the list. All right. So this is the same website. I'm just scrolling down. Please check out our Superhero Academy, Avenge the Summer, with our summer book club, and we have your age level, so K-5. We have one for middle school. We also have one for high school. So get involved. We're going to have lots of fun prizes. You're going to be able to meet different challenges. Okay. We have a fun video here, which I've also included in the body of the email. But I think at the end of the year, we're also doing Kindles. So you definitely want to be part of the summer fun and be part of a summer reading club. Okay. Here's your reading logs. All right. Let's just take a look at what K-5 looks like here. Summer reading logs. Okay. So here we go. This is like a bingo card. So every time you fill out a row, we're going to send you a prize. How cool is that? I think that's pretty darn cool. So you want to check this out for sure. Okay? Avenge the summer, kiddos. Please also take a look at our guide to summer 2018. We've taken all of the counties in the state of Arizona, and we have broken down some fun things to do and see there. So check that out. If you're traveling around this summer, it's a great way to get to know our state. Okay? This is coming soon, our National Summer Day of Learning. Okay? We want to make sure that we beat the summer slide, and we're going to have lots of videos. We're going to have some live sessions with teachers and engagement coaches teaching kiddos how to cook certain things, how to do a load of laundry, how to paint. I'm personally going to be doing a paintings, teaching you kiddos how to paint. So please make sure you keep looking for more information on this one, July 12th, this National Summer Day of Learning. We're going to have lots of fun things in here for you, okay? So keep a lookout on that. I also wanted to point out a couple of the other resources that I've sent out this year. Khan Academy, spelled like Genghis Khan, Khan. This is a free website, parents, to help your kiddos with those math skills. So please do check this out if you haven't done so already. I've sent out this link numerous times, but if you haven't checked it out, this is what it looks like. Parents, you're going to start here. Just open it up, and it looks like they have more than just math down here. It looks like they have science and engineering, arts and humanities, test prep, things like that. So all you have to do is log in, type in the name of the math lesson, and hopefully it will give you some good pointers and break those steps down for your kiddo. Math Antics is another great one. This guy here, he does videos on all the different things. You have place value, decimal place value, anything that you can think of. I'm sure he's done that. So please check out that as well. Mathantics.com if you haven't already done so. And whotomath.com. I included this web link in the email that this video is attached to. This is just lots of fun. Okay, my daughter plays this, and she and I have a lot of fun with these different games. Look at this 50 states game. I love that. Okay, so it's not just math, it's other things as well. And this is just a great way to keep your math skills strong over the summer. Plus, it's free. Hello, and it's fun. Can't get any better than that. All right, friends, one last thing. I am going to challenge you to the Rice Bowl Challenge this summer. How many grains of rice can we feed people around the world? Okay, so basically, this is it's a fun game site. Okay, it's going to help prevent that summer slide as well. So you have vocabulary, you have math, you have different languages. Basically, all you do is bad means what? It means not good. So guess what? I just donated 10 grains of rice. Those 10 grains of rice are going to feed someone around the world. So let's have fun doing this, and shoot me an email. Let me know how many grains of rice throughout the summer you have donated to help people, okay? I look forward to hearing from you. And just remember, summer is right around the corner. We've got 2 weeks. Don't stress about this, guys. Just one after the other. Get it done. Get it done, okay? You don't want to get overwhelmed, but you do want to work on it. So I wish you very much good luck, and I do hope that you're able to reach your accomplishments for the remainder of this academic year. I am here for you. Please call me or email me, text me. You all have my phone number, and I do hope that you re-register and come back with us. And I just hope that you have a great summer, okay? Have a good one, and hopefully I'll see you next year.